Through these tutorials, you will see how the advanced Available to Promise processing process has multiple dependent sequential steps. The process starts with the creation of a sales order, during which an internal sales representative can optimize the availability of products using alternative-based confirmation, or ABC, to check product availability. If a substitution strategy has been created by the Order Fulfillment Manager, substitutions can be made for the plant or product in the sales order. The Order Fulfillment Manager then configures order fulfillment responsibilities to enable order fulfillment specialists to process the materials for which they are responsible. If the sales order line items do not have availability issues, the order fulfillment specialist prepares and releases them for delivery. If the sales order line items do have availability issues, the order fulfillment specialist redistributes the line item quantities, for example, according to delivery priority or order type. Finally, the order fulfillment specialist triggers the creation of delivery documents for processed sales orders. The business benefits of this process are to plan and manage allocations for products in shortage situations, fulfill order requirements manually when quantities are insufficient and trigger subsequent logistic processes, and substitute the delivery plant for sales order items with an alternative plant, either for an entire line item or a sub-item. The key process flows covered in the tutorials for this process are to configure order fulfillment responsibilities, prepare or release sales order line items without availability issues, identify sales order line items with availability issues, solve availability issues by redistributing quantities, release processed sales orders, check availability for a sales order, and configure a substitution strategy.